What's up, everybody? Okay, so this is gonna get right into it today. I don't want to make any fancy cuts. This is purely gonna be a trucking vlog today. It's Friday before the long weekend. Al's in, the rest of the guys are off today, and we have to float the 170 into just a road about 10 minutes away from here. So I figured, hey, why not film the process? Al right now is currently shining up the chrome on it. We just sprayed it all off. So this is our, what year is this, Al? 01?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, 2001 Western Star. It's a tractor. It's got a big sleeper in the back of it. We just, like I said, we just kind of cleaned it up. That's the fifth wheel, the back, the frame. I'm contemplating getting the frame painted on it, just because it is, it's not pitting, but it's just flaking rust right now, and I don't want that to turn into holes in frame and rust underneath rust. So I'm looking to get that painted, but it's disconnected from the trailer because it got a safety done on it. So Al's gonna finish waxing this up, cleaning it up, and then we're gonna start the 170, load it, and film the whole process. Get you guys in cab looking at shifting some gears and how we chain it up and how we go about really just kind of floating a piece of equipment like this. I need sunglasses. It's currently almost 8, and it is super sunny and hot out, and it's gonna be an awesome freaking day. Right, bud?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. All right, let's do it. All right, so this is our lowboy trailer. It's a Challenger Witzco float, and obviously that's where the fifth wheel goes up underneath. How this is actually held here when we disconnect it is this plate here. This plate here is holding up this whole gooseneck end. So basically what I'll do whenever I come back underneath is I'll back out underneath it, lower it down, lock the kingpin, and then take out that, and then go from there. But all our stuff we keep back here. I put this metal plate and I set it here, and that's where the knuckle of the shovel will sit. So just to give you guys some background info on that. And then what actually runs these hydraulics that lower and raise the trailer for unloading and loading, hydraulics there, is a pup motor that we got in here. It's just a little Honda, actually, you know, it's Briggs & Stratton motor. Turn the key, turns on, off. Like I said, Hal's wrapping this up, and then we'll get her hooked up. Let's do it. This is the machine that we're floating. It's 2013 Komatsu 170. Great machine, PC 170LC, I guess you want to call it. We got a new deck on the back. Counterweight needs to be painted. It's been rubbed a few times, but we're gonna hop in this. Okay, so I'm just firing it up right now, and then I'm just gonna check to see if it needs fuel, which it does. It's empty. Cody. All right, now we're gonna get some fuel. All right, now we're gonna start it up. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I got you guys mounted underneath. That's the kingpin. I'm gonna back underneath and lock the kingpin. First try, baby. You. So I was just hooking up the lines here now. I'm gonna double check. That's all good. So now what I'll do, now that the float's connected, I'll drop it back down and then take out that pin, and then we'll load up the shovel. All right, so now I can take this pin out. Do is lift it back up so that those feet swing up and then drop back down the trailer. Okay, do you want to I'll pull out and then you pull the Komatsu on? Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I'll set this up back here so you guys can see him load it. Okay, so we just quickly had to clean off the tracks. Tracks weren't cleaned off, and you never want to go down the road with dirty tracks. Then people are gonna get dirt and you'll just put shit all over the road, and it's just a big safety thing. So make sure your tracks are clean. All right, now we're gonna load it up. All right, now that it's loaded up, I'm gonna back up the tractor, hook onto it. While I'm doing that, Al's going to chain it up. All right. All right, it was a rough landing, but we made it.
I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend. I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. Wanna stay.
Cool. So we just finished chaining this up. Now what we do is we go track to track. You're pulling here, track to track, pulling out here, and then our bucket has a a chain on it to secure it and the boom. Yeah, so, and then wrapped around all the bear traps that we use, we put wire around them so that just in case they don't release. And then on top of that, what we do is we wrap the excess chain around like this. So wire and then chain up and around too. Just to, I'm sweating like a pig, man. It's hot today. It's beautiful. I'm not complaining. Okay, so I'm gonna go back over, check over everything again, and then we're gonna get trucking. Best day. Woo! All right, let's go trucking. Oh yeah, make sure you guys listen to that Jake brake. Here we are. Oh. Hello. Bye. Okay, we're gonna park it in around behind the pool. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna unchain, unhook, and get her done. All right, now we got everything unhooked. That's there. And now Al's going to unload. Nice. Okay, now he'll walk off. think we're getting it just before it's too hot. If it was a little bit hotter, I probably would put some boards down just on the asphalt, but sun hasn't hit this spot yet, so shouldn't mark it up too much. That's a good thing about rubber tracks on our 308. Any other machine that I buy from here on out will have rubber tracks on it, I tell you. All right, now he'll scooch over. This is all has to be nice. We're not even making a mark on it. That's awesome. Nice and slow and safe is the way to do this. Something like this, you don't really want to rush. And I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below if you float stuff, you float heavy equipment around, let me know. Because I'm really interested to know that stuff. And if you guys haul bigger or smaller stuff, let me know. Nice, that's all just dirt. We'll broom all that off. Now Al's good. All right, I'm gonna clean this float off.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
I could run through the fire.
Hey?
It's nice and weird.
Yeah, I know. Fucking AC in this thing rocks. All right, so we just dropped off the 170. Probably just for a little bit. So yeah, just dropped off the 170, and now we're headed on our way back. We're gonna go hopefully try to find a way to loop around and get back without having to back up. Because if I don't really have to back up this trailer, I won't choose to. And to all the local followers and subscribers, if you see this truck out or you see any of our trucks out during the week or anything, I want you guys to take a picture and tag us in it. Because some people have been sending me pictures around the city of Ottawa of the tractor and everything that we do with it, and the machines and the trucks, and they see us out on the roads and they're not tagging us. You gotta make an Instagram story or Facebook, whatever, and tag us, Chemlight Construction, or Instagram at KWC2000. We need to get Al his license. Alright, we'll see you guys when we're back at the yard. Okay, we made it back, and yeah, she's parked nice and clean. Got a little bit dusty, but locked the keys up. And yeah, so like I said, some of the guys aren't in today. I gave them the option of taking an extra long weekend and enjoying time with friends and family, or they could come in for a little bit and help out. It kind of makes Al sound like a piece of shit. Al wants to spend time with his family too, and so do I, but there was some stuff that just kind of, we both needed to come in and get this float move done. So we're gonna screw around here probably for a little bit and maybe take a short day, head out around noon, maybe go get some coffees and some breakfast sandwiches. Yeah, all right, well, that was today's video. I wanted to do just a little trucking video for you guys. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you're hitting the thumbs up button, guys. Honestly, the thumbs up button, it really helps a lot. And as I've been watching the videos over the time, I feel like I kind of try to put on this like, oh yeah, guys, make sure you're liking and subscribing. And I just want you guys to fully understand that it doesn't matter to me. I like making these videos because I truly enjoy the process of filming and editing and making them. So if you want to show some support, like the videos, hit the subscribe button. If not, hopefully you just enjoyed them. If you learned something, that's awesome. That's basically what it is. And if you're Canadian, I want you to have an awesome Canada Day weekend. Be proud to be Canadian. We live in an awesome country. I read yesterday that Canada was actually ranked #1 country in the world for quality of life. And honestly, guys, I'm proud to be Canadian. I'm proud of where I'm from, regardless of all the politics stuff and the whole box water situation with Trudeau. But probably might film a bit of a Canada Day video at Mom and Dad's on the weekend. Dad lives on the water. He's got some sea-doos and stuff, so we're gonna rip the sea-doos and hang out and just spend some family time, and maybe I'll get some footage of that and possibly see you guys on Tuesday with another video. But I'm gonna kind of probably take this weekend to try to chill a bit. I'm working tomorrow and Saturday, but I'm gonna try to take Sunday, Monday off. And yeah, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in today. Have an awesome weekend and enjoy the sunshine.
So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees on the horizon.
And I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watched the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you did that, I want you to comment down below, big rigging. Comment down below big rigging, because that's what we were doing today. We were heavy hauling, big rigging, and it was awesome. So comment down below big rigging if you're still watching the video. I appreciate it. We'll catch you later, guys.
Are you feeling lost? You